Okay, so now what we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to go ahead and certify our kit, meaning upgrade our Aveneer EV1 by Brother. So the first thing that we want to do is to go into our settings. So we'll click the wheel. And what we need to do is go in and find where the certification is. So let's click through until we find the certification. And there's the certification. So what we want to do next, after we have found the certification, and you can see what all I have certified on my machine here. Trying to get this up a little closer so that you can see it without. Okay, so now that you now that we're in the upgrade kit page, and that's on page 7. So let's go ahead and click on certification. So it's asking us, it says certify upgrade kit, press kit number to certify. So we're going to press kit number 1. And it's going to ask us, is it an online machine certification or an offline certification? Meaning that your machine is online. So ours is going to be an online machine certification because the machine is online. So I'm going to go ahead and click on online certification. And now it wants me to go through and read the terms of the agreement. I read them. When, uses, let's go on down, I agree. You click I agree next. And then they sent you a card. So you just take your card. There's a card right there. And you scratch off the number. There's a script in the back of the card that's gray. So you scratch that off and then put in your card number. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my card number. Once I put my card number in, it told me that I had to send it off to the server. So it went to the server. And so what we have now is certification was successful. Please restart the machine. So now what I need to do is to go over and turn the machine off. Make sure you save your card in a nice safe place. I don't ever throw any of my cards away. I keep everything. So I'm going to turn the machine off on the side over here. And now I'll start the machine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give it 10 seconds to reboot. Turn it back on so it can reboot. And let's see what happens. And remember, I had previously already updated, put in the latest software. So it goes through a process, so you got to just wait. So it's starting back up. So let's calibrate it by touching the screen. Let's see if we're done yet. There it is. The arm is moving.